Selamat siang, perkenalkan nama saya Catherine Teresa dengan NIM F1D221037. Di video kali ini saya akan membacakan teks mengenai Geological Engineer. Geological Engineer. Geological engineering involves geology, civil engineering, and fields such as mining, forestry, and geography. These engineers apply earth science to human problems. Specialty areas include geotechnical site studies of rock and soil slope stability for project, environmental studies and planning for construction sites, groundwater studies, hazard investigation, and finding fossil fuel and mineral deposits. Geological engineers investigate things that are part of or are made to be part of the earth, include roads, mines, and quarries, dams, petroleum production, railways, building project, pipelines, and forestry operation. They engineer cleanup and environmental assessment where pollution occurs. They engineer cleanup and environmental assessment where pollution occurs. They survey for minerals and drinking water. They search for building materials resources, and they map potential landslide and earthquake. The variety in this field is enormous. What do they do? Many of these specialists consult for engineer or environmental firms. Many are employed by highway department, environmental protection agencies, forest service, and hydro operation. Construction industries depend on geological engineers to assure the stability of rock and soil foundation for tunnels, bridges, and high-rises. Foundation must withstand earthquake, landslide, and all other phenomena which affect the ground, including permafrost, swamps, and bogs. Geological engineers find better ways to build and manage landfills. They find safer ways to dispose of toxic chemicals and garbage, and to manage transportation infrastructure depends on geological engineers to determine strong terrain in safe pathway for airport, railways, highways, and even pipelines. These engineers are heavily employed in energy field, exploring for more natural resources, oil, gas, uranium, tungsten, and geothermal and coal. They develop ways to mine hard to